Hi there, I'm Craig with Black Anvil Digital Foundry, here to present a Shopify uh, project demo video for a recent project that I completed. In this case, the client has a store where she sells upcycled children's clothing for babies and toddlers and accepts donations and sells them. And so one thing that she wanted to do, this is the Dawn theme, which looks really nice out of the package, but she wanted to customize it to highlight the difference in price between what she sells these products for in her Shopify store and what they would cost on a brand new market. And so she wanted an estimated retail price tucked in here just above the actual price in her store, to highlight that difference, and then to maybe bold print the price in the Shopify store to even emphasize that more. So as you'll see on the new version, if we look at those same product cards, this was my implemented solution. Here we have our estimated retail price, what these would more or less cost on a new market, and perhaps more. This is just a sample price that I put in here. And then the actual price in bold for this Shopify store. And if we click on one of these two that have had those estimated retail prices added, and look at it in the actual product page view, we'll see how it renders there. So nice and cleanly and obvious how this is done. The nice thing about the way this was customized is I didn't use the sale price option that Shopify offers out of the box with all themes, because then in the future that would limit her to not being able to effectively announce sales on products, since that feature would be used to show an estimated retail price instead. So that was the first customization. The second major customization was being an upcycling business. We have part of her business model is to accept donations, which is, I would imagine, quite effective. So she had this form. Looking at the original. No, I'm looking at the new one. So the original form was here under the donate link. And there is a nice little description here on what to do to donate clothing, and to then receive a shipping label from her so that it's all postage prepaid, and then also to receive a store credit for items donated. However, the contact form out of the box for Dawn was a bit lacking in that it only had these basic fields: name, email, phone number, and comment. She wanted more fields. And so what I've done is, on the new form, I've added a shipping address line, city, state, zip code, so that she has the information needed to print the shipping labels. And she also wanted to know an approximate number of items to be sent, I would imagine, in order to more accurately predict what the postage cost would be for her shipping label. And so, yeah, so those are the two customizations done. And I think, one last thing. If I go back to our estimated retail price feature here in the shop, to the home page, I just wanted to point out that it's always in one of my priorities, once a custom feature like this has been implemented, to make it as manageable and updatable for the client as possible. So the solution in this case was to, if we look in the back end of the store, here we are on sort of the online store, once it loads, page of the back end of this Shopify store. If we go to products, we can click on, for example, that premium cotton sleeper pajamas product, and you can see down below what I did in order for the customer to be able to add these estimated retail prices is I created this meta field where that price can just be put in by the client without any further development work needed. So hope you've enjoyed this and found it interesting, and I'd love to hear from you. Please get in touch. Thank you.